Mickle, what are you doing? What are you doing, Mickey? Good boy. Do you want to get a treat? Come on. Come on, fat boy. Come on. Oh, fuck a duck. Ugh. Fucking arms coming. Come on, boy. What's this? Sit. Good boy. Oh god. My chest is fucking killing me, that's why I'm not going to school today. Oh god, I'm pretty sure I had a panic attack on the way to school. God, it fucking kills. Oh, where's Doug? Mickle! Good boy. What are you doing, Mickey? What are you doing? Good boy.